Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Jenkins requires Java to run. Install OpenJDK with the next command. Verify the Java installation. Next, add the Jenkins repository and GPG key to your system. You can do that with the following command. Once added, update the package list and install Jenkins with the next commands. Start Jenkins and enable it to run on boot. After that, check the Jenkins server status. Open a web browser and go to your IP with the next port. After that, unlock the Jenkins password with the next command. Follow the setup wizard to install recommended plugins and create an admin user. After completing the setup wizard, you can start using Jenkins to manage and automate tasks. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.